Raila Odinga. And currently we understand the opposition leader is making an address. Let's cross over there and listen in.
And we hope that the judiciary will be reformed to be able to give Kenyans the justice that they so desire. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I'll now ask the Honorable Chief Justice, David Maraga, to make some remarks. CJ, please.
The Honorable Raila, the Honorable Moses Wetangula, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, Honorable Senator Orengo, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Honorable the Deputy CJ is also here. Today, the leadership of the opposition coalition, the Reforms and the Democracy Code, led by the coalition's principals, Honorable Raila Odinga, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, and Honorable Moses Wetangula, have paid a courteous call on me since the assumption of office as the Chief Justice and the President of the Republic of Kenya. We are greatly honored by this visit. It is a testimony to the fact that the political leaders present here today and the judiciary leadership in general is genuinely committed to creating and supporting institutions that work. It is also a triumph of the principle of dialogue that underpins our Constitution. Significantly, it is also a recognition that the task of winning and building public confidence in public institutions is a responsibility we all bear. We are determined to build a strong and open judiciary and are pleased that very senior political leaders in this country share with us that aspiration. The discussions we have had today have been frank and wide-ranging. I have shared my vision for the judiciary. We are committed to continuing to pursue the transformation agenda started by my predecessor, Honorable Will Mutunga, but is determined to deepen and expand and accelerate judicial reforms in order to improve the quality, efficiency, and speed of service delivery to Kenyans. This will entail the reduction of cases, the digitization of the judiciary records, and the automation of the proceedings of the court, upholding the Constitution, fighting corruption, and improving access to justice. To deliver on this vision, the judiciary will require financial and political support from the executive and the legislature, support that leaders present here have today the capacity to provide. As you may be aware, I paid a courtesy call upon the President and soon after assumption of office. The honorable members of the opposition coalition have paid a courtesy call upon me, and arrangements are there to pay a courtesy call on the speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate, and of course the Law Society and other consumers of justice. So what I'm saying is that the judiciary is a judiciary for everybody. We are serving everybody, and our doors are open to everybody so that we can be able to serve them. So we require the support of the political leaders, we require the support of the legislature so that we are able to achieve and deliver on our mandate. It is my honest belief that the leadership of the opposition, both in and out of Parliament, and both the National Assembly will be supportive in arguing our case for more resources, securing and maintaining our independence, and in fighting corruption in a principled and consistent manner. The judiciary I lead will be the judiciary for all the Kenyans and will serve without bias, prejudice, ill will, or affection, and we are determined to create an institution where public confidence is strong, not by our demand but by our service, where our conduct, transparency, integrity, and jurisprudential rigor become the source of the public respect we will command. I want to assure the country the judiciary is prepared to handle the election petitions that we anticipate will be filed after the next general election. And I hope that Parliament will appropriate sufficient funds to enable us to perform this task satisfactorily. I want to thank the Honorable Odinga, the Honorable Musyoka, the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, and the Senate, Senate Orengo, for paying me a courtesy call, and use this occasion to personally acknowledge their support and their members of Parliament, the support their members of Parliament gave me during my confirmation hearing before the House. The bipartisan support I received in the House from both the opposition and the government is even places even greater but welcome burden upon me to serve all the Kenyans equally. And with this, I want to thank you all for coming this morning, and please assist all of us to build confidence in the judiciary so that we are able to serve everybody without caring about the status one has in society. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay. Another occasion, perhaps. Yes. Another question.
We content with that.
You've said that you'll be asking Parliament to support your push for more resources and independence. What is it, financial independence, or what independence are you talking about?
All right, that is new Chief Justice David Maraga, who just met with the CORD leaders, Raila Odinga, his co-principal Moses Wetangula, and Kalonzo Musyoka, as well as Senator James Orengo, who paid him a courtesy call or courtesy visit at the Supreme Court. And among the things that the Chief Justice says is that the judiciary under him is committed to fighting corruption with no fear, no favor. And of course, some of the things he's talked about is the plans to digitize all the judiciary records. Among the problems or the challenges that are said to be facing